Hello graphic designer, welcome back to another tutorial, and today we start with football flyer again. If your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial, and if you have question, let me know in the comment. So let's get started to the video. The first step, we have to create a new document. We have two ways to create it. The first, Control N, and another way, you just go to File, to New. Okay, all of them are default size. You can see on the photo, print, add, web, mobile, film, horizon. And if you want to make by your own style, please take a look to preset detail. For the text I selected is the title of document. I just example, and you can put what you want. For here, I choose centimeters. For width, I put 21, height 27, orientation, I choose this one, resolution 300 pixel inch, color mode I put RGB, and I put 8-bit. For background content, I put white, and you can put the color what you want. For default color is white. Okay, advanced option I didn't change, and create. And now we have a new document. Before design, we need to save it first. For save a new document, we go to File, choose Save As, and choose the place you want to save. After that, just click Save. And next step, we just click on Save or Ctrl X to save. For next step, I want to insert all my elements to design. I have a folder. I go to Folder. All of them my element. The first step, I drop this one. I want to change the color of it. I match hue and saturation to it. I stand on it and click here and choose hue saturation. And right click and create clipping mask. For saturation, I put 80. Okay. After that, I want to insert more element. I choose this one. Drop to it and scale the size what I want. And I want to change color of it as well, so I have to add hue and saturation to it. I stand on it and I click here and choose hue saturation. Right click and create clipping mask. For here, I tick on colorize. I drag to red color, and for saturation I put 80 as well. Okay, now the color of the first background and the second background are balanced. So for next step, I press on second background to blend the first and the second background to make a new background. For first step, I put layer mask on the second background. Okay, after that, I choose brush tool, this one. I choose soft round. Opacity I put 80. Color I put black, and okay, and brush it a little bit, step by step. Okay, and we can customize it later. For next step, I want to add a rectangle from here to here. Okay, I use rectangle tool. For the color of it, we can customize it later. Okay, I put like that. After that, I double click to change color. Okay, I put this color. For next step, I put noise to the rectangle. For put noise, we go to filter, choose noise, and add noise, and convert to smart object. And I put 20% and OK. For opacity, I put 90%. Another step, I add a new rectangle one more. I choose rectangle tool. And I want to clipping mask the logo of team to the rectangle. I drop it. I drop this one. Before clipping mask, I have to add hue and saturation. I click here and choose hue saturation. Right click and create clipping mask. And I change a colorize. I drag color to red and saturation I put 80. Okay. After that, I mask the logo to the rectangle. Right click and create clipping mask. Opacity of it I put only 5%. I change the color of rectangle, double click and choose this color. Okay, I add a shadow to the rectangle. I click on it and go to effect, choose blending option. And next step, take on drop shadow. Blend mode I choose normal, opacity 100, angle 10 degree, distance 0, spread 0, and size I put 24, and something like that you can see on the screen. After that, just click OK. For next step, I want to add subject. I go to folder. Okay, and I drop this one. I need to remove background. For remove background, the first we select subject. Okay, it's clear. So if it's clear, we add mask to it. We can mask on here or mask on here. So I click here. Another picture. Select subject, mask layer. Okay. For next step, I want to drop shadow to the subject, but I don't want to go to effect again. I just copy from a rectangle and paste to the subject. For copy, we just stand on the layer what we want. After that, right click and copy layer style. Next step, we click or stand on the next subject. Right click and paste layer style. Okay. Another subject, stand on it, right click and paste layer style. Okay. For next step, I hold Ctrl and click on rectangle. After that, I go to select and click on inverse or shift Ctrl I. After that, I stand on the subject and delete outside of the box. So I choose brush tool, opacity 80, okay, and color black, and brush outside the box. And okay, and for another picture, Ctrl D to deselect. I want to insert another subject. I go to folder and drop this one. I select subject and mask layer. And next up, I want to add shadow of this subject. For a shadow, I add a new layer and drop down below the subject, and I choose brush tool. I choose soft round and I change brush. Color I put black. For opacity I put 100 and click. I link shadow layer with the subject. I select both layer and click on link. For next step, I add hue, saturation and color balance to the subject. Okay, the first I add hue and saturation. I click here and choose hue saturation. Right click and create clipping mask. For lightness, I put -10. Saturation, I put 50. I add color balance. Right click and create clipping mask. I put cyan 30 and yellow 20. Okay, and I want to mask to this subject as well, so I just select on the color balance and use saturation layer and Ctrl J to make copy and drop to about layer and right click and create a clipping mask. Okay, again just select it and Ctrl J and drag up to another subject, right click and create clipping mask. Okay, so now hue, saturation and color balance match to all subject, and I want to customize color of it a little bit more. Okay, for this subject, and for next step, I want to add some text. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. Right click and rotate 90 degrees. And I put below the subject. And for another side, I stand on it and Ctrl J to make copy and drag to here, Ctrl T, right click and rotate 180 degree and drag it down. Next step, I want to insert logo. Put here and for here as well. And next I add text for here and for here. Now our flyer finished, and for next step I have to export this flyer. For export, I go to File, choose Export. You can click on Export As, and for format you can choose what you want and export and choose the place you want to export. And for another way, go to File and choose Export and click Export As and choose the place you want to export. After that, just click Save and OK. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. And if you have question, don't forget let me know in the comment. See you next video.